Alice. This boxwood is a cutting off of one that we got in Pigeon Forge, Tennessee a few years ago. The shrub that this one came off of was probably about, I don't know, 40 feet tall and about 20, 30 feet around. It was huge. So I tried finding seed holes and couldn't find any. So I just broke off a bunch of branches. We got back to the motel room, stuck it in a cup with water. Well, 5 years later, 4, this is how big it is. And it's probably about 30 inches tall now. I will show you how I took a cutting. This is another one. Any of you nerds out there that knows what trees are, tell me what this is. The bark kind of looks like it's cedar, but it's not. It's very soft. It's very soft. The deer have destroyed it. That's why it looks ragged. This tree also is a cutting. So here's all I did. Ouch. The boxwood. I just took a couple cuttings and cut them with the scissors. Tore the leaves off, and that's it. Just stuck them in water and left them. That one tree, these are ready to be planted. There's 2 that has roots, as you can tell. And this took about 2 months for these to get these roots. The roots are white. Actually, 3 of them has roots. Oh, that's good. When I took the cutting for that boxwood, it took about 8, 9, 10 months for the cutting to get roots. And I have one here, and I have one down here. Those were the only 2 that grew off of the 8 cuttings that I took. So I'm going to plant them somewhere else in case the deer try to destroy those boxwoods or they get diseased. I'm going to plant these on either side of my porch. And what happened with these, the reason why I had to cut them down, these were about 5 feet tall. As most of you know, we had a winter home in South Carolina, and we were gone for all of the year last year except for a couple weeks. And the deer completely destroyed the 3 trees. 1, 2, and then 3. It almost destroyed that one. So to get more, I took cuttings off of this, and now I've got these. I'm going to plant these and grow more trees. I did find out there is a thing called portable electric fence, and it looks like the orange netting when they do grading work. And from what I can tell, the whole entire netting is charged. We do have electric fence, but we have, as you can see, Princess here. And I like her to have the run of the property and not be worried about electric fencing or anything. We did train her with a shocking collar, so she knows where her boundary lines are. Alice, come here. Come here. She's very hard-headed. Anyway, so that is the only ways that I know to propagate that stuff. Just cut it, put it in water, and just leave it. Now, I do change the water about once a week. I'll dump this water out and put fresh water in. I don't leave the same stagnant water. So that I do. So I hope this helps. I do not have a green thumb. If I can't put it in the ground and leave it and let it grow, I'll kill it for sure. So those of you that are like me that does not have a green thumb, this is one of the easiest ways to do it. And then when these are ready, just dig a hole. I put a little bit of the Miracle Grow potting soil in the ground, and then stick these in it, cover them up, and water them really good for the first couple months. And then spring of next year, they'll be good to go. So I hope that helps anyone that is trying to do the same thing I'm doing, or did, and give you a little glimmer of hope. Thank you for watching.